So guys, this is on our EURJPY. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our EURJPY for the day. Now, if you have to go to your daily time frame to understand this movement on EURJPY, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. You know, yesterday I did analysis for you guys. I told you that EURJPY is definitely going to give us a pullback to at least a level of 183 before we start having that bullish move. Now, market has given us that pullback, and we are currently trading at 183. Our next movement on EURJPY is another bullish move, so we are heading back to a level of 184. So we are currently trading at 183, right? We are now expecting EURJPY to now give us that bullish move to a level of 184. So it will look something like this on our EURJPY. It will look like this, and here will be the higher low. This will be seen as the higher high, and here will be taken as the higher low. This will be seen as the higher high, and markets eventually drop to give us an higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on EURJPY is another bullish move that should eventually push up to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, bullish move, a buy is what we should be expecting next on EURJPY. Now with this movement here, we should probably be expecting our buy setup within this level. So only take your buy once you get the buy setup. If you do not get the buy setup, it will be best you do not take the buy. But once you get your buy setup, then you can go ahead and take the buy. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you click on that subscribe button, guys.